I'm just going to tape you playing hockey now. I'm huddling up.
You can't hear what he said because I'm whispering.
Okay.
That was the hockey players do.
Okay.
And then nobody can hear.
Okay.
UMD Bulldogs.
Which bulldog are you?
Juggling!
Which one?
Juggling!
Oh, really? Wow. Ooh, does that mean it's time to play? Should I get in my net? Whoa. Okay, you're gonna shoot it at me? Okay, let's see what you got. Ha ha.
I missed the net.
Okay.
You can't say ha ha.
Okay.
That's a mean word.
You're right, I'm sorry. Whoa. Whoa!
Tackling scores! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah!
Owie.